Today we are going to do the procedure called microneedling. It is a great way to make your pores decrease, to make your collagen form, to decrease your photoaging, which is brown spots, and to give you an overall glow that we lose with too much sun and wear and tear of the day. You will see some bleeding, which is quite normal. We want to get into the point where we're going to have little pin pricks from the little needles that is going in the skin. Are you okay?
Yep.
I know the nose
is the worst.
It's the worst, and that's to make your pores as small as they will go. So I'm just going over on different angles. And we'll make little tiny pin pricks. He has been frozen for the last half an hour. Without freezing, it would be a little more uncomfortable. As you can see now, I did the nose first to get it over with because that is the worst. Now it's pretty well smooth sailing. This pinprick bleeding will subside very soon. You will be red probably for the rest of the day, maybe a little bit of swelling. We recommend that you have 3 treatments, a month apart to start, followed by in-between care, and you will see a huge difference. Are you okay?
Yep. All good.
Let me know if you need a little bit of a break.
No, I'll be fine. I'm pretty numb.
Yeah, there you go. And don't be alarmed with the amount of redness. This is what you want. If you don't have that much redness, you're not going deep enough. This is sometimes a little bit uncomfortable. You okay?
Yep.
There we go. We go at different angles to get all parts of the skin. There we go. Still pretty comfortable?
Yep.
As you can see, there are multi little needles that go into the skin. So once they have punctured, it takes a little while for them to close up. So now we are going to put a special solution on that's full of peptides and amino acids that will soak into the holes before they close over and will nourish the underlying skin, and it helps with the process to form collagen. Are you feeling stinging or are you good?
Nope.
Now this is like a mask that you would keep on for the rest of the day, and then wash with a gentle cleanser at night. And then tomorrow you can go back to your regular routine of using your serums, your peptide serums. You want to make sure that you wear daily sunscreen from this time forward, because what you don't want is to reintroduce hyperpigmentation that you will get normally from the sun. There you go. How was that?
Great. 2 thumbs up.
2 thumbs up.